In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all tasks in ClickUp. This is really useful when you want to make bulk changes, like updating statuses, assigning tasks to someone, or moving a whole group of tasks to a different list or folder. Instead of editing them one by one, you can quickly select everything you need and apply changes in just a few clicks. First, start by opening ClickUp and going to the list view that contains the tasks you want to work with. Make sure you're actually in list view, not in board, calendar, or any other layout. In list view, your tasks appear in rows, one under another, with columns like status, assignee, due date, and so on. This is where ClickUp gives you the easiest way to select multiple tasks. Once you're in the right list, move your mouse over any task in that list. As you hover over a task, you'll see a small, empty square appear to the left of the task name. This square is the selection checkbox. It might be invisible until you hover, so if you don't see it right away, just slowly move your cursor over the left side of the task row. When it appears, click that empty square. The square will now show a check mark, and that task is selected. Next, move your cursor to another task in the same list. Again, hover over the left side of the task row until you see another empty square next to that task's name. Click that square as well. Now you have at least 2 tasks selected. As you select more tasks, ClickUp may display a small toolbar or counter at the top or bottom of the screen, showing how many tasks are currently selected and what bulk actions you can perform. To select all the tasks you need, simply keep repeating this process. Hover over the next task, click the unchecked square, and confirm that a check mark appears. Work your way down the list, clicking the checkbox for each task until every task you want to include is selected. If your list is long, you can scroll as you go and continue selecting tasks further down. When you've finished, all of your chosen tasks will be highlighted and selected, ready for any bulk action you'd like to apply. And that's how you manually select all tasks in